How to use Instagram broadcast channels. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is open your Instagram. Now when a creator you follow creates a broadcast channel, you'll get a notification that they have created a broadcast channel. All you'll need to do is click on the notification, click tap to view and join, and then you'll be able to join the channel. If you're looking to create a broadcast channel yourself, click on the message icon at the top right corner. Click on this new chat sign at the top right corner. So over here, you should see create a broadcast channel. You'll be able to create a name for your channel, and only your followers can preview and join it. Once you create it, all your followers will be notified. And then you can start sending messages and run polls and more on your channel. So if you're not seeing broadcast channel, go back, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, click on the three bars at the top right corner, and then click on Settings. Click on Help, click on Help Center, and then type Broadcast Channel on Instagram. Select Create a Broadcast Channel on Instagram. So you do have to have a creator account to be able to create a broadcast channel. As you can see, this feature isn't available to everyone. Once you create a channel, you'll be able to share messages such as announcements, behind-the-scenes content, and event details. Followers that join your channel will be able to react to messages that you send or vote in polls that you create in the channel, but they will not be able to send messages. As you can see, you have to click on the chat icon, click on New Chat, and then you should see Create Broadcast Channel if it is available in your country. You can enter channel name, choose an audience for your channel, choose when your channel ends, and choose to show your channel on your profile. And then you can click on Create Broadcast Channel at the bottom. You can find your broadcast channel in the Instagram app by tapping on this chat icon in the top right and then tapping Channels. You can also invite people to join your broadcast channel. When you send the first message, all your followers will receive a notification inviting them to join the channel. You can also share an invitation link. You can add the channel to your stories, and you can share a message from the channel to a story by tapping and holding a message in the channel and then tapping Share to Story. So this is how to use Instagram broadcast channels. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.